Here is the universal adapter. Coming up the bag and all kind of ports. You can see here we can lock it. After releasing it, we can lock it, and if you want to close it, you can just click on lock and you can press and you can lock it. If you want to use the Indian ports, you can use it, and if you want to use US, Japan, Australia ports, you can use it and you can lock it. This is where the universal adapter, the universal ports, it will fit to any kind of ports. If you want to unlock it, if you want to just close it, you can just press it and lock it. And this port we are using for UK. We do have indication of the power. It's coming with a small portable bag where you can carry anywhere.